We are 3 weeks into 2021, and if any of you are starting to struggle or stray from your New Year's goals, the trick to keeping the momentum going could be as easy as downloading some key apps. Here with 5 apps that may be able to help you keep some of those resolutions is our tech expert, Burton Kelso. Hey, Burton, thanks for joining us. Yep, it can be very tough to stick with some of the goals, some of the resolutions. So you have some tech ideas on helping us stay on that path. Tell us about the first app, which can help with hydration.
Yes, the My Water app and Drink Reminder is an app that basically tells you when to drink water. Now, in these COVID times, it can be tough as far as remembering when to drink water. So this app will send you hourly or couple hour alerts to remind you when you need to take a sip of water. You can set it to remind you during any period of the day. But it's a good way to stay healthy and to stay hydrated.
Yeah, that drinking more water is a good resolution that I hear a lot of people have. I also see people with these big jugs. But you can have the big jug, but you need to be reminded, hey, time to take a sip. So I like that one a lot. And another popular New Year's goal is getting into shape. There's tons of fitness apps out there, but you have an app that can really keep us motivated.
Yes, my favorite fitness app is Map My Fitness, which basically uses GPS coordinates to map your physical activity. So it doesn't matter if you're cycling, running, or walking, you can use Map My Fitness to keep track of your mileage and to send you daily reminders to let you know that you need to go work out. And a bonus, you can connect with your friends on social media.
Oh, yeah, it's all about that accountability, and then it gets a little bit competitive. All right, so that's a good one to stay motivated. What about eating? How can we track our eating habits and make sure that we stay healthy?
My Fitness Pal is an app that can allow you to track your calories. It's probably one of the best calorie trackers on the market. Essentially, if you eat at home or if you eat out, you can keep track of what your daily calorie intake is, so that way you can work your way towards a better and fit life.
Why do you think people like that app?
Because it will allow you to scan in barcodes, like if you decide to go munch at something from like a gas station, or you can use menus from popular eating establishments, but you can also use regular household items to figure out what ingredients are going to add up to a certain amount of calories. Our
producer Desiree says she loves that app, but you mentioned gas station. I hope you're not eating from the gas station if you're trying to get on the health eating path. No offense, just saying. All right. So that's a good one. Now, saving money, another very popular goal for the new year. What's an app that you believe really can help with our finances?
Probably the best app out there is Intuit's Mint app. Now, this app will allow you to connect with all of your banking and financial institutions so that you can monitor your balances. But also, this app will allow you to set a budget and help you become financially free.
Oh, that's key right there, financially free. That if an app can help with that, I'm all for it. Now, I also need something for my entire family, maybe that can help us get organized, maybe give my kids some chores.
The Cozy app is what we use to keep track of our family. Now, in COVID, obviously with everyone home, it can be a little bit easier. But if your family is still out and about, you want to download the Cozy app. You can use a family calendar to keep track of different members of your family. You can also add items to the Cozy app shopping list. So if you need to go look for food, the family knows what to get because it's on the shared Cozy shopping list.
That's right. So we don't double up and have mom buy one thing, dad buy the same thing, then you have to eat it really quick. Burton, these are great ideas. I'm sure you have a lot more, and I'm going to tell everybody to head on over to your website for all those tech tips that you offer at burtonkelso.com.